Hi, welcome to Level All. This is Julia with the Success Team, here to give you a quick tour around the platform. We'll begin on the home page, which starts with For You This Week. This is where we'll alert you to the things that matter now. It could be reminders for your upcoming deadlines, or it may be breaking news for opportunities like internships, scholarships, and a whole lot more. Below that, we have your journeys. They take your personal goals like applying to college, launching your career, or managing your finances, and then break them down into simple, manageable steps. So let's say you want to get an internship. Our Land the Internship That's Right for You journey will take you through every step of the process. Right next to Journeys, we've created some helpful tools for you, including our College Finder that has stats and figures you won't find anywhere else. It'll help you sort through colleges and filter what's most important to you. And our Scholarship Finder, where you can explore thousands of scholarship opportunities. Below that, we have Jump Back In to view your recently viewed pages. You won't see anything there on your first visit to the home page because you haven't jumped in yet. And below that, we've got some recommended content that you can filter by category. It's a great place to explore new things. Speaking of exploring, if you want to check out everything Level All has to offer, you can go to the Discover tab. It's all broken down into categories. We've got high school, college planning, college transition and success, affording college, college alternatives, career skills, careers, financial skills, life skills, and state pathways, where we cover all the amazing opportunities available to you in your state. And within these categories, we have collections. Let's jump into one. Look good on paper with a professional resume. The first thing you'll see is our overview page, where you'll find articles, videos, and infographics that cover all things resume, from beating advanced tracking systems to crafting a resume with little experience. And when it's time to take action and create your own resume from scratch, you'll head over to the project, where we have a step-by-step guide to go from a blank page to a finished resume. And always be sure to check out the Resources tab, where we have templates, checklists, and samples to make it all easier for you. That's our tour. Jump in and accelerate what matters to you. Whether you know exactly what you want to do or you're still exploring, we want to do more than just help you follow your dreams. We want to help you chase them down. Welcome to Level All.